Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality into Oppo A96. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and find Convenience Tools option. Go into, here choose screen recording option, and now find video resolution option. If you tap on this option, you can change, for example, medium, low, or customize your option, set up your resolution and your bitrate. And for saving, for example, this option, maybe not this, like this option, click back and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.